Hello friends, welcome once again to an exciting video. In this video we will solve one problem. I have created one function, test function, and I want to increase the concurrency of this function basically, right? So let me go to configuration of this function and then concurrency. Now if I am trying to edit the reserved concurrency even one also, right? So what it is saying, the unreserved account concurrency cannot go below 10. So basically what is happening over here, right? So each account has their limit, right, for the concurrency, and by default it is set 10 for my account. So whenever I'm trying to set any of the account, it is going below. So how it is going below? So suppose we have account concurrency quota is 10, then we have existing reserved concurrency that is already 10, right? How we know that it is already 10? Let me go to Lambda, and you can see over here, right? So full account concurrency is 10. So even though if we are not using any of the concurrency, why it is 10? So it is set to 10 already because our function will use the logging and other purposes, right? So that is why it is set for 10. And if we are setting this new concurrency to 3, so what is happening over here, right? It is actually minus 3. It should be, right? So it is going below. So how to fix this? So to do so, we need to go to we need to increase our quota, right? So let's see what is the quota and how we can increase it. So let me go to service quota, go to dashboard. Okay, over here I'm not, go to AWS services, then search for Lambda. So over here if you see, right, the account level quota is set to 10, but the default is 1000, right? So let request for this, request increase at account level, increase quota value to 1000. Request. So we have submitted this request. Let's wait for few minutes and see quota increase request here, right? So let me go here. It is still pending, so it will take some time. I will pause this video and will back once again once this ticket is resolved. So I have refreshed the page. Now you can see that the status has changed. Now it is saying case opened. Let's wait for a few more minutes. I'll pause the video and we'll be back again once the status changed. So I have waited along, and let me refresh the page once more. As per this ticket, right, I believe this will take approximately 48 hours. One more thing you can see here, right? So the case ID is created and status showing work in progress, but the ticket says that it will take approximately 48 hours, which is 2 days, right? So I'll stop my video over here, and in case if something else is required, I'll definitely come up with another video. But I believe this will be resolved. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this resolution, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.